there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money from the description portion of your videos. There are multiple videos here on YouTube going over how to make money on your YouTube channel, how to make money with your YouTube videos. Even I have some videos on this channel going over that, but today I want to specifically focus on the description portion of your video because there is income potential there. So if you are interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So the first way or option that I want to point out is channel advertising. So companies have reached out to me asking if they can place their business name as well as maybe a short passage or a business link in the description of my videos, and in return, I would be compensated for it. So I will go ahead and insert a screenshot here just showing you an email that I have received where a company has reached out asking to do just that. And pretty much when I get those emails, I go into negotiation mode. So I look to see what it is they're offering. I look to see what type of video they are wanting to, or which one of my videos they're wanting to advertise on, and I'm looking to see if I have any already like prior agreements for with another company, so to speak. So let me explain that. So say that I get an email just like the one that I showed from a company, and they want to advertise their links first under a video that's already sponsored. So under a video that I already had some type of agreement with another company. More than likely, I'm not going to use that video or agree to that video being advertised under because I already have an agreement with the other company. Sometimes it just depends. You know, some people will reach out and they're wanting their link any place in the description bar or any place in the description portion, excuse me, of your video. Or they may say, hey, as long as you just place my link any place in the description portion, I'm okay, you will still be compensated. But there are other companies that will say, no, I want my link first. In order for me to go ahead with this deal, my link has to be first. So pretty much you are going to have to decide, just like with any deal, what is going to work best for you, what you're comfortable with, and what you both mutually agree to finalize the deal. But that is a great way to generate income outside of the traditional monetization and ads through your video. You can definitely make money with channel advertising by advertising different companies and different passages from different companies and also different links from companies in the description portion of your video. Now, the second portion or the second part that I wanted to point out is affiliate links. And I am going to be looking down because I have my sticky notes right in front of me. But affiliate links is something that I go over very frequently because it's an awesome way to generate passive income. I love the phrase work smarter, not harder, because growing up, I would always think that you had to work really, really hard in order to be compensated well. And, you know, I don't want to confuse anyone and say that it doesn't take hard work to reach your goals or it doesn't take hard work to make money. But I'm saying that not all the time do you have to work hard in order to be compensated. If there's a way that you can make passive income while you're sleeping, income while you're at your job, income while you're doing something else, why not do that? So I'll talk a lot on this channel about multiple streams of income and the importance of it. A lot of people ask, you know, well, how do you afford to do all of this? Or how can you afford to do this? Or how can you afford to do this even when your sales are slow or when your sales are not what you projected them to be? For those of you wondering what I'm talking about as far as my sales, I do have a hair company by the name of badchickhair.com as my website. So if you want to go there and check out my products as well as my business services, feel free to do that after this video. The links will be down below. But it's really, really imperative, in my opinion, to have passive income and multiple streams of it. So affiliate links is through the description portion of your video. You can also place that link in the description portion of your social media accounts as well. So like Instagram, even Facebook, but we'll get into that in some other videos. But specifically speaking, under your videos, that's a great way to place your affiliate links. So if you're talking on your video, let's just say for an example about the Coda's water bottle, and you know, you have an affiliate partnership somehow with the Coda's water bottle, it is very wise to place that link below your video. That way you're not only being compensated for the ads on the video, but you're also being compensated for the affiliate partnership that you have. So if someone clicks that link and they make a purchase, then you can go ahead and start receiving income or revenue. And I'm just using the Coda's water bottle as an example, but there are so many affiliate links out there. There's flat tummy tea affiliate links. just I can't even think of them all off the top of my head. But if you do go to one of your favorite websites and you go to the bottom, typically there's information under affiliate or under partnerships where you can click and you can read up on how to become partner with that company through affiliate opportunities, or how you can become an affiliate. So every website kind of has it worded a little bit different, but I would recommend starting with your favorite website, starting with your favorite products and going all the way to the bottom of the website and checking for the word affiliate, sponsor, or partnered. And that will typically bring you information as to how you can get paid by having some type of link or some type of reference to that company. So that is another way that you can generate income through the description portion of your video. Now, the next tip that I wanted to point out is product links. So aside from affiliate links, if you do run an online business, like I mentioned, I do run an online business at badchickhair.com. If you are running let's say a website or a blog where you have different services that your potential customers and clients can purchase, I would recommend having those links under your video as well. There are so many people that have started YouTube and have not included any of their business links under their video or in the description portion of their video. I highly recommend doing that, because a lot of times when people are watching videos, sometimes, I don't want to say that they'll get bored, but sometimes just as a habit, or if they're bored, they may scroll and look at the comments, and they also may scroll and look at your description portion of the video just to see what's in there. Everyone has something different in their description portion. Even before I started doing YouTube, that is something I used to do. I used to look and see how people had their description portion set up, what type of links they had, if they had any links, if it was just hashtags there. So it is really important to take advantage of all opportunities. And so if you do have a business, or if you have some type of link that can get people over to the products or services that you're offering, I would strongly, highly recommend that you include that link in the description portion of your video. Now, the fourth tip that I have is video promotion once monetized. So once you do get monetized on YouTube, and monetization is pretty much being able to collect payment or revenue from the ads that are placed in and around your video. So once that happens, if you are creating a video and you want to reference a video that you've already created, or if you want to reference maybe a playlist that you've created on YouTube where you have your videos there, I would recommend doing that, because it's going to not only promote that video and that information and value that you have to share, but every time someone watches that video is also going to generate revenue income for yourself. And that's another way to generate passive income in a way, meaning that you've already put the work in. You're really not having to work on the previous videos that you're promoting, because you already worked on them. All you're doing is providing a link and allowing whoever's interested to go back and learn or watch or be entertained by that video, and then in return you're being paid for it. So that's another way to generate income from the description portion of your video, by linking previous videos in that section. Now, even if you're not referencing a video on YouTube, you can still place a link in the description. What I've seen a lot of content creators do is place a link in regards to their last video. So the very last video that they did, they will go ahead and link that below, or a video that's very similar or has something to do with what they were talking about in their current video, they'll have that link below. So take advantage of all opportunities. And if you are creating videos on YouTube, I strongly recommend that you have links to videos that are relevant to what you're talking about, or your last video, or even your video playlist. And the last tip that I have is podcast links. So on this channel, again, I talk about different ways to generate income. I talk about the importance of multiple streams. So many entrepreneurs get stuck and caught up on just one area, one avenue of producing income. And although it's really important to focus on your business and make sure that you are spending time and nurturing what it is you have a passion for, it's also really important not to have tunnel vision and only look at one source of income for yourself and your family. So another way to generate income, and I've gone over this on this channel, is through a podcast. I will go ahead and see if I can find any of my previous videos in regards to creating a podcast or how to get more listens on your podcast below this video. However, creating a podcast is another way to generate income. So if you do already have a podcast going, and you are wanting to generate income from the podcast and it's already monetized, I go through Anchor, and Anchor currently has no minimum listenership, meaning that I don't have to hit a certain number of listens in order to be paid. So even if I have one listener, I'm still being paid based on their calculation and their CPM through them. So I strongly recommend having your podcast links in the description portion of your video too. That is going to help generate awareness for your podcast, and it's also going to help generate income. So those are 5 ways that you can use the description portion of your video to generate income. Aside from relying on the ads solely, there are multiple ways to generate income, and I just wanted to go over a few of them with you here today. So if you do have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.